Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting because some people have noticed in certain markets that Microsoft has changed the game as to how it respects the default software, and especially the browser choice. And it seems that it has to do only with what's happening in the European Union. Now, as I'm downloading, of course, Linux Mint here, Microsoft Edge, of course, being the web browser, that is with Windows 11 and Windows 10. For a long time, if you guys remember, the European Union forced Microsoft to give a browser screen, a browser choice screen, where you had to choose your favorite browser within a certain amount of browsers. And it was a rule that Microsoft had to follow if they wanted to distribute Windows in the European Union. Now, it seems that they kind of faltered, and in Windows 11, they kind of didn't do it, really. And it's putting them into a position where they're kind of in trouble, and probably the European Union came back and said, by the way, you're not following our rules. You have to continue following those rules. So a new way of giving you a choice of what browser you want to download and have as a default is being pushed in the European Union. And what is said here is that a lot of us, because the people that saw that first thought, oh, Microsoft is finally caving in, and our default apps and the default browser and all of that is finally going to follow what we want. Now, not that fast, because a lot of people that have tried to recreate that screen and recreate that event were not able to do so. And it appeared only in a few a few insider versions of Windows 11. So, it probably seems like it's going to be only for a certain market, but honestly, you know what? Those rules that the European Union are actually doing, they should apply everywhere. Even here in North America, Microsoft should be forced to give you a choice of browsers. You click the one you want when you install Windows or on your PC when you turn it on the first time. And it should actually really respect the choice that we have. Unfortunately, it doesn't right now, because half of the time, that default, I say it all the time, when you have a update for security for Edge, I always say apply it even if you don't use Edge, because you never know when clicking a link, clicking something, will actually have Edge pop up rather than your favorite browser. And this is lack of respect of the user choice. So, I hope Microsoft wakes up and understands that if we make our own choice of having a different browser, it's because we want that and we don't want to have Edge, and that's it. Respect the choice of the user. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.